Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. In this video we will learn how to create the reports in Microsoft Excel. Go to create tab. See here we have different options to create the report. Select this option. You can see this is auto generated report. This is not looking good, but we can adjust the layout of this report. Let's see how. Right now you can see this is in layout view, right? So we can adjust the layout. In this way we can adjust the layout so that all the fields can show on page. Now you can see all fields are showing, right? And you can see the different records, right? Let's see the print preview of this report. Okay, you can see still these fields are not showing properly on the page, right? You can see this email is not showing properly. So let's change the page layout to landscape. Now you can see all fields are showing, right? But still this photo is not showing properly. You can see here still this photo is not showing properly. So close this print preview and again go to layout view. So we will further adjust the layout. Now again select the print preview and see all fields are showing properly on page, right? In this way we can create the report. Close the print preview. Again go to design view and from here drag and drop like this. Now again let's see in print preview. See, now this is looking perfect, right? Close the print preview and let me switch it to layout view so that we can further do the formatting here. We can also sort this data. Let me select this ID field. Now you can see this data is sorted in ascending order, right? Before the 9th number is showing first. Now this record is sorted in ascending order, right? See, now this 9th number is showing in the end. Save this report. So that's all for this video. In this video we learned how to use this report option to create the report, and we learned how to adjust the layout of the report and how to apply different kind of formatting to the report. That's all for this video. See you next video. Thank you very much.